Thank you for providing me. I was 8 years old. I was grade in St. Teresa's College.
Ikaw nakapag-ballet na. Hindi na. Pero binigyan ako ng pang-ballet ng nanay ko. Sinuot ko sa dance class. Hawaiian pala ito doon.
Well, right now the immediate goal is to have a world premiere of Rebel. I'm expanding my school and hopefully we will be going on our second audition tour. Maraming nag-audition.
Ilang taon po lang kayo?
We actually get them, the earliest would be around 10 years old.
May waistline requirement. Kasi waistline yung po ngayon nung 10 years old. Pwede ba po?
You need the long neck, you need the long neck. You need the flexibility, the height. You have to be coordinated, you have to be well-trained, you have to have stamina, you have to have strength. And of course, I think the most important thing really is you should want it. Diba? They say, hard work trumps talent when talent does not work hard.
Wala kailangan. Yung mag-want it lang po yun. Kunyari po, nasa audition tayo. Tapos mag-audition po si Camille. Paano niyo po sasabihin, wala kang chance? Tingnan niya muna. Ano po ang ginagawa pag-audition?
Kunyari, pinapaupo ko sa floor. Ganyan. Then if the knees touch the floor, then that's a good sign. You have
I can do it!
Flexibility. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty flexible. Then pinapa-bend forward.
May planets ba? Diba? Oo, kasikat ka!
Kasi it's important to be able to rotate your legs in the hip socket. You ask me, I think everyone should dance because it's a great way to stay fit and stretch your body to the limits. Push your body.
Ang ganda ng legs. Oo, diba? Parang mesmerize. Kaling sa pabalik, di ba?
We open on February 25, which is the actual 30th anniversary of the Heads of People Power Revolution. And we have performances on the 26th, 27th, and 28th of a modern day take on Spartacus. I play the role of Inang Bayan with the ABS-CBN Orchestra under the baton of Maestro Gerard Salonga. So I'm really, really proud of this production. Let's support the Filipino artists. You're coming, right?
Yes.
In these outfits also.
If you like,
Okay.
hindi po kami nakakaya. Hindi po ang taladang po. Hindi po kami ng tunay na sapat. Isa kayo!
Third position, right here. Fourth position is heel.
Ilan po ito?
Fifth position, this is the hardest position. The heel.
Oh my God!
That's the 5 basic positions of the arms and legs. Basically, you build from that. Everything else is done, with that in mind.
Saan po namin makakapunan?
Well, I do have the Ballet Manila, the School of Ballet Manila, 1915 Don